Properties of triangle and quadrilateral. Performance standard, classify triangles and quadrilaterals and differentiate quadrilaterals. And by saying their properties. Then the learning competency is classify the triangles and quadrilaterals according to the sides and angles. So learning objectives, classify triangles according to the sides. First objective, then second, classify triangle according to the angles. Specific na talaga. Para hindi ka mahirapan. So the third is classify quadrilateral according to the sides and angles. So the next is the content domain is number and algebra. So the content standard, all numbers up to 1 million. So content standard is wrote the numbers up to 1 million. Facebook hanggang 1 million na talaga eh. So performance standard is read and write and compare all numbers up to 1 million. So learning competency, compare numbers up to 1 million using equal, less than, and greater than. Number 1 learning competency is compare number up to 1 million using equal, less than, and greater than. And the second learning competency is compare numbers up to 10,000 using 100,000 still use the 10,000 using equal and less than and
ay siguro dito sa comparing kasi up to 1 million siguro 10,000 muna.
Ayan.
Muna yung 10,000
kasi diba lang kayo na sending yan then 100,000 then 1 million.
Yehey!
Then magawa tayo ng test sa choices kailangan from